Hi, dear English learners, and welcome to Massey's World. Today we're going to learn another song which is so catchy, viral, and popular nowadays. I like this song because it's emotional, deep, and meaningful on one hand, and on the other hand, it's so cute and funny. Today's song is Please, Please, Please by Sabrina Carpenter. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise him that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. To have good judgment. Judgment. Repeat after me. Judgment. Not judgment, but judgment. The tip of your tongue should touch the upper center of your mouth. J, j. To have good judgment. Jessica. J, joy. To have good judgment means that you're able to make good, sound decisions. Before making a decision, you think about the future. What results would it bring? You think about the past, what life lessons you have learned that could help you here in making this decision. So you have good judgment. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and you're scrolling through your phone, you can't sleep, and then you suddenly think, I need to text my ex and see how she's doing or how he is doing. Just no big deal, just to check up on them. But then you remember the last time you texted them, what happened. So you get a hold of yourself, you put your phone down, and you go to sleep. You're having good judgment. Do you know what the opposite of good judgment is? Type in the comments for me. To have good taste in something. When there are several options to choose from, and you most likely choose the best one or the one that is good, you can say you have good taste. You can have good taste in something. The preposition is in. You can have good taste in music, in fashion, in men, in women, in food, etc. What do you have good taste in? In this song, I think Sabrina means that she has good taste in men. It means normally she chooses men who are good for her. But then she says, it's funny and it's ironic how only I feel that way. So other people don't think that she has good taste, just her. Ironic. I, ra, nick. K, not k. K. Ironic. When something is ironic, it is the opposite of what you expect it to be. Sabrina thinks she has good judgment, she makes good decisions, and she has good taste in men. She chooses men who are good for her. But everyone else thinks the opposite. They think she doesn't have good judgment, and she chooses men who are bad for her. So the situation is ironic and funny. He is a police officer, and how ironic that his children are all criminals. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil is inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell him it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. The man in the music video of this song is actually an actor named Barry Keoghan, I think. And these two are actually dating in real life as far as I'm concerned. So she is saying, I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. When a man is honest, reliable, protective, doesn't make false promises, is committed, and you can count on him, you can say he's a stand-up guy or a stand-up man. This is different from being a gentleman. A gentleman is someone who is polite, who respects the ladies. But a stand-up man is someone who is there for you. So, ladies, I hope you all have one great stand-up guy. Devils or demons inside you. D. Not D from the tip of your tongue, no. D, no. D, D. Devils or demons inside you. If you say it slowly, it's inside you. But if you say it faster, it's inside you. There's a J sound. Inside you. Inside you. Very good. Devils and demons inside us are the struggles or impulses, darker impulses that we sometimes face. It's a psychological thing, and we all experience it when we are dealing with deep emotions, at least once in our lives. She is saying, whatever devils are inside you that make you do these crazy things, please keep them in tonight. Don't let them come out. To let something come out. Don't let them come out. You may also hear to battle your demons or to fight your demons. He realized to fight his demons, he needs to find the root of his struggles. So to fight his demons. And here they mean his inner struggles. They are not necessarily like a bad, evil thing. Sometimes when we like someone so much and they do something bad or unacceptable, our brain tries to make an excuse for them and we justify their actions in front of others. Like here Sabrina says, it's his culture. He tells everyone else that it's his culture. He didn't mean it. Maybe you don't even realize you're doing that, but your friends or other people do. And they roll their eyes at you like, oh, she's doing it again. So to roll your eyes at someone, roll, r-l, roll your eyes at someone, at. Very good. For example, you have a daughter and you ask her to do something, but instead of just saying, okay, she kind of disagrees with you, but she doesn't say anything. She just rolls her eyes at you, and inside she says, oh, here we go again. Here we go again. So rolls her eyes at you, and you say, don't you roll your eyes at me, young lady. And then she says, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me. Something, something. In everyday language, ego is a person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. And now she's saying being heartbroken is one thing, but you're also embarrassing me in front of everyone. You're bringing my ego down. His ego is very big. She has a strong sense of ego. An inflated ego can cause problems. So a strong ego, a big ego, and an inflated ego. As for your homework, try to listen to this song as many times as you can and try to sing along with it out loud. And remember, maybe you won't get there the first time. It's natural. It happens for everyone. But try singing and repeating so many times until you get it. This is fun because it's a fun song. So have a great time and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.